Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today we are about to embark on a culinary adventure exploring the fusion of sweet bananas and zesty oranges in our delectable banana orange bread. So guys, grab your aprons and get ready to bake because your taste buds are in for a treat. Let's get baking, guys. We're gonna start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now here are the ingredients you will need. Here I have all-purpose flour, butter, bananas, 3 ripe bananas, guys, 2 eggs, baking soda, salt, 1 orange, and pecans. So let's set this aside and let's get started. In a mixing bowl, combine the flour, salt, and baking soda. Mix well until well combined, then set aside. Next, in a mixing bowl, peel the bananas and add them to a bowl. Next, we are going to mash the bananas. Here I'm using potato masher. If you want your mixture to have large chunks, you can use the potato masher, but I want mine smooth, so I'm gonna use a fork and mash the ripe bananas. This looks good. We're gonna set it aside. Now let's move on to chop the pecans. Once done, we're gonna place them in a small bowl, then set aside. Next, we're gonna crack the eggs, then set aside. Guys, I'm prepping everything so that we can start working on our banana orange bread. Now we have finished prepping everything. We're gonna put it aside. In a large bowl, cream the butter until it's smooth. Gradually add the sugar and beat well until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, add eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. Once the mixture is well incorporated, we're gonna set it aside and work on the banana mixture. Next, we're gonna add orange zest. It's gonna elevate the taste of the bread, making it more vibrant and refreshing. And also, guys, it's a fantastic way to introduce a citrusy kick to your banana orange bread. The next thing, we are going to need juice, so we're gonna go ahead and squeeze juice from the orange. Then we're gonna add it to the banana mixture. By adding orange juice, not only enhances the flavor of banana orange bread, guys, it also contributes to its texture and moistness, making the bread more enjoyable. Yes, guys, it will keep the bread soft and prevents it from becoming too dry. Now we are going to add the flour mixture alternately with the banana mixture. So what I like to do, guys, I like to gently use a spatula or wooden spoon to mix the flour into the batter. That way it doesn't splatter all over. Once the flour gets incorporated, that's when I can use my mixer. Also, a good practice is to start your mixer at a low speed. That way the flour doesn't splatter around. We're gonna start with dry ingredients and finish with dry ingredients. Guys, I have an ebook on Amazon. I'll leave the link down below. Go buy it, guys, and support Mama Boy's Kitchen. I compiled my 20 best chicken recipes. You'll fall in love with those recipes, guys. I know your family will brag and your kids will want you to make them again and again, guys. Also, I have membership, guys. Check it out. Let's build this family bigger and bigger and bigger. We're gonna fold in the nuts. Then our mixture is ready now to be baked. We're gonna go ahead and grease our loaf pan. Then we're gonna spread the batter across the pan with a spatula. Then bake in the preheated oven for about 60 to 65 minutes or until a toothpick skewer inserted into the center comes out clean. I just pulled out the banana orange bread out of the oven, guys. It smells so amazing here. We're gonna let the banana orange bread cool in the pan for a few minutes, then transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. Let's slice it so you see how it looks, guys. There you have it, banana orange bread. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.